This is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Welcome to Bangle Whisper. Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to talk about ginger benefits. Now, ginger is something which is truly greater than any gold or diamond or silver, because ginger just has the amazing protective qualities, and ginger has been used for centuries, for thousands and thousands of years. The yogis in India use ginger as a remedy for all kind of sickness, all kind of elements. That ginger has been used in the culinary for cooking, and basically thousands and thousands of years ago, when there was no medicine, ginger was the only one and only best medicine. So ginger's been used for thousands and thousands of years, and it's very easy to use it. So you can just grate a piece of ginger and just eat it with your food, and that's the best way to take it. Or you can take it as a tea. That's another good way to take it. So you can just grate 1 inch long ginger, and then you can put some spices like clove, cardamom, bay leaves, and then some black pepper, and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Like boil 2 cups of water till it becomes 1 cup, and then you can drink it, sip it. And if you wish, you can add little bit of honey, and if you don't, that's fine too. So the ginger is one of the best things. So if you're going anywhere, make sure you have some ginger with you. Now, ginger is very easy to take anywhere because you can easily dry it, and if it's organic, it does not get spoiled so quickly. But if it's non-organic, then it gets spoiled quickly. So when you buy organic ginger, you can peel the skin off and wash it, and then boil it and make tea as well. So you do not throw any parts of it. Usually we take the root of the ginger. So ginger could be used as tea, as raw. Some people make ginger candy, and then ginger chutneys, and for cooking ginger. So just can be taken in any shape or form you can imagine, but be sure to take just 1 or 2 inches a day, not overdo it, because it does have and other qualities too. And before you take it, as with anything, before you start any routine or before you take anything, be sure to ask your doctor so they know if you have any health conditions. So ginger is not only that it adds flavors to your food, but it leaves it gives many other benefits. One of the greatest benefit for ginger is really strengthens your immune system. So with all this thing going around, ginger is the greatest asset now, and it relieves gas, and it's good for digestion. So it's good to take it with your food, but be sure not to take it too much. Then it can give adverse effect like indigestion. Now ginger, you can make ginger juice and then add it directly to your tea or other cooking and other preparation, but just main thing is to take it in your body daily. You can drink it with a glass of water and 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, mix it and then drink it up. That also helps. Ginger promotes good digestion because ginger promotes acid production in the stomach, and which in turn gives you good digestion. And ginger helps with weight loss. So if someone drinks daily ginger tea, that will suppress their appetite and then people have weight loss. Ginger also kills bacteria and parasites in the stomach, so that aids in good health. And ginger increases energy, so people drink ginger tea, they feel very energetic to do exercise, and after the exercise also they have less sore muscle because ginger relaxes the muscles. So drink a ginger tea daily in the morning and you'll see you have great circulation and all throughout the body. So it's good for boosting circulation, and ginger is really great for reducing blood pressure, reducing cholesterol. So ginger is anti-inflammatory. As you know, all the diseases are caused by inflammation. So ginger is anti-inflammatory, so it reduces pain of any sorts in the body. Ginger tea is good for cold, cough. So daily drink a cup of ginger tea, but be sure to ask your doctor before you do any changes. And keeping a piece of ginger in your mouth and you're sucking the juice stops the cough. If someone has a cough, ginger destroys bad breath, so chewing on a ginger piece is really good. Ginger tea helps with the sinusitis, so drinking very warm ginger tea daily helps with the sinusitis. So ginger has many benefits, not just a spice. It's not just another natural medicine, but also it has many other benefits. So few of them that it's really great for your digestion, for circulation. It reduces pain, release pain, and it prevents nausea. Hi, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe,